Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Today I've come up with a very interesting topic on interior designing experiences. So this I'm sharing with you from my personal experience of how I designed my house and where all I went and searched for different information. So basically this video I have divided it into three parts. The first place is where I'll share information about what are the different sources of information, and in under this I would like to cover three major parts. The first part is the images part of it. What I mean by that is how social media can really help you in getting some images which will really kind of relate to what you have in your imagination for your house. So there are two places where you can actually get really interesting images. One is Pinterest and the second one is Instagram. So these are two places where you can actually search for a lot of images about your living room, dining space, your bedroom, how it should look like, kids' bedroom, what should be the false ceiling like. A lot of ideas, but all in the form of images. And it's very interesting. You can actually go for a global view, you can also go for a contemporary, you can go for a very traditional, whatever you want to surf for. This really kind of gives you all the information. Now the flip side of this images is that it is absolutely kind of needs to be customized as per your requirements. You don't know how in reality it's going to look like, because it's the person who has uploaded the images, it totally depends on how the house, the plot is, the square feet, the layout of the house is. So there are certain ideas that you can really incorporate, but you might not be really kind of able to replicate that in your house, depending on your house dimensions and your thoughts and imaginations and all that. And you really don't know how in reality it looks like. So that's one drawback that you have in the images part of it. My second place of interior designing search ends up in YouTube, and this actually resolves my first problem where I have the issue with the images. So here I can actually see how an idea really comes into reality when I see different houses, when I see different videos. So I can relate my house to that. I can see what design comes in what place and how it kind of matches up with what if I'm looking for a partition wall between a living and a dining, how it really kind of looks in reality. So YouTube gives a more realistic picture on that, and that's why I like YouTube much more, though you have to spend a little more time in watching these videos, and you have to find the real good authentic YouTubers who post such videos, but I think it is worth spending the time. The third and the most interesting part of this video is where I'm going to share with you my three favorite YouTubers or my three favorite channels. All of them have Pinterest accounts, all of them have Instagram accounts, all of them have their own YouTube channels. I personally like their collections, I like their ideas more, because and in fact I have incorporated many of them in my houses as well, because they're very realistic and they're very doable. It's not that it's very expensive or it is absolutely not reachable for you. You see an idea and you get that in US, or you see something that you have to get it from Tanjore, so it's not that extremes. These people really talk about realistic things that's easily approachable, and always an alternate solution is provided. So that's really what I enjoy about these three YouTubers. So let's get into that part of the video. My first most favorite YouTuber in this space of interior designing is Interior Mata. She is based out of Vadodara, and she has uploaded a lot of YouTube videos. Please go and check out. The details are here provided in the description box as well. She is one amazing personality who has shared a lot of thoughts and ideas on how to have a very unique design for your house. What I really like about her style is that she gives you the sources of all her products. She gives you the details of all the ideas that she has in mind end to end as to where you can go and purchase these things. Even a small decor piece also, in her link you will find where you can get that. So you know, it's very very doable for you when you watch her videos. So that's what I really like about her. And she is not very expensive, she's a very very reasonable lady, and her ideas and thoughts are also very realistic accordingly. The second most favorite YouTuber that I have in this series is Nihara. Her channel is called Ask Aosis Nihara by Nihara, and she is again I think from Pune, and very approachable YouTuber. Her ideas are also very close to reality. In fact, what I really like about her video is that she being, you know, it's part of her profession that she's an interior designer and she's working on a lot of sites. She gives us site visits. She gives us, you know, real pictures of how the site looks like when they start working on it and how it turned out to be. So you can really see the transformation in her videos. In just one video you can see how the house has been transformed, and giving all the details, though she doesn't give you the link like Interior Mata does. I know Interior Mata does gives you Amazon links, Flipkart links, whatever link she purchased the items from. But Nihara does not do that, but she does give you information on where you can get the source, you know, where you can get the products from. The third is not actually an individual, it is actually an organization. It's called CAMS Designer Zone. It's again located in Pune. And why this organization is very different from the other designer organizations that's available on YouTube is their designs are very unique, and their testimonials are very truthful. The customer stories are very inspirational, and they don't really talk about the organization as such. They really talk about the design part of it in throughout the video. And what I felt was, you know, they use pastel shades, they use very subtle colors in the house, and that's my personal choice of colors, and I really kind of love their choice of colors and the neutrals going with the, you know, mild dark shades and all that. So I think these are the three most favorite my YouTubers. If you have any other YouTubers that you really like, you really admire, please do share your comments in the comment box. And I hope this video was really helpful for you in giving an idea on certain basic interior designing concepts. Please do watch out for all these channels that I've shared with you. You will get the details in the description box. And please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, so that you know this is a really inspirational value for me to create more such informative videos. I hope that this video really kind of helps you get some productive information out of it, and I'll keep on continuing the same efforts. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and bye-bye. See you.